You about Sikkim. Sikkim, state of India located in the northern eastern part of the country. It is one of the smallest state in India. The capital of the Sikkim is Gangtok. Here you can see the map of Sikkim. Society and culture. Society and culture through showing a strong Tibetan influence retain a character derived from the various tribes of Sikkim and their pre-Buddhist customs. The most important festival in the Sikkim is Pangla Fusul festival in August or September. Here you can see the images of society and cultures of Sikkim. Famous festivals of Sikkim are Luzung, Sonam Lochar Festival, Losar, Bumchu. Here you can see the images of different festivals. Languages. The official languages of the state are English, Nepali, Sikkim, and Lipcha. Additional official language includes Grunji, Limbu, Magar, Makhia, Newari, Rai, Shirpra, and Tamang for the purposes of preservation of culture and tradition in the state. Here you can see the images of different languages, Bhutia, Lipcha, and Limbu scripts.